How to review your comments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your comments on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down, and here you will find this one activity log. Click on it, this one activity log, and here you will find this one here comments. Just click on it, and as you see here you can review comments on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.